Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the hardware. Plug the Xbox 360 Wi-Fi adapter into the console's rear USB port and position the antenna upright. Once connected, make sure the router is on and stable. Give it about 30 seconds to finish booting. You're doing this now so the console can detect the adapter immediately. Next, power on the Xbox and sign in. Make sure you stay near the router for the first configuration to avoid signal drops. You navigate, Guide, Settings, System Settings, then Network Settings. Pick Wireless Network and wait as available SSIDs populate. Select your network name and type the wireless password exactly, case matters, then save. Once done, choose Test Xbox Live Connection to confirm DHCP assigned an IP and NAT type. If the console shows limited connectivity, re-enter the key or move closer to the router. Sometimes finish by signing into Xbox Live and installing any system updates. They often resolve network bugs. If speeds are slow, change your router channel or switch to 5 GHz if both devices support it. Once done, test multiplayer or download speed to confirm performance. If something goes wrong, power cycle the router and console, reseat the adapter, and test again. That single troubleshooting tip, power cycling and reseating, fixes most connectivity problems quickly, so try it before advanced tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.